this might be the most insane card finish you will ever see. Yo, what's up guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you a really cool card finish. It's probably the best in the world. You just saw it. I think it's a really cool card finish. It's called the Rot a Dog finish. I've already taught this one on the channel, but yeah, the video was just really bad. So today I'm gonna show it again and teach it again. So I hope now you know exactly how to do it, and maybe you can perform it to others. I don't know, maybe you don't want it, but I think that's pretty cool to do. So in this video I'm gonna show you step by step how you can do this. We begin with how to place the cards and how to hold the cards in your hand. So the basics are always the most important ones, because if you don't have the basics correctly, you just fail with everything. So you really need to do that. And after that I'll show you how to steal the cards. Is it called stealing? I hope it's called stealing, I don't care. But once that is done, we're gonna put it all together and how you can cover the cards so that no one will see that you just did this motion. So let's begin. Okay guys, so for the basics, how to hold the cards, how to hold the card like this, and all that stuff. So first, how to hold the cards. So you're gonna hold it in this grip. This is called mechanics grip. Your thumb is here, your pointer is here, your middle, ring and pinky are on the left side. Now you place your thumb here and you're gonna slide the cards in a like 45-degree angle. It's resting on your middle, ring and pinky, and your pointer is on the corner, or the corner, how do you call this? I don't know, but on this place where the two cards meet each other, and your thumb is ready to make this motion. It's like on this area of the card. And now you have to practice to do this, but that's in the next chapter. So again, mechanics grip, thumb, pointer, middle, ring, pinky, 45-degree angle, card is resting on the middle, ring and pinky, pointer and thumb is on like half of the card. So let's get into the next chapter. Okay, so now we're gonna learn how to steal a card, or however you want to call it. It's what happens when you cover the cards with your hand. You cover and then you make this motion. But when you're making this motion, you also twist your wrist like this. So how to do this? You're gonna hold it again in a 45-degree angle, and you're just gonna practice to do this as fast as you can. But when you know how to do this, you're ready to go to the second part, that's turning your wrist. You're gonna combine this motion. So if you don't turn your wrist, the motion might be seen by the audience, and that's what you don't want to happen. And also, small tip, don't put your ring, middle or pinky inside this gap, just leave it. So that is the steal, and now we're gonna combine it all together in the next chapter. So let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna combine everything you just learned. So how to hold the cards, how to hold this card in the 45-degree angle, how to steal the cards, and now you have to cover the card with your hand, or you can make a slide motion, like you're gonna take the card like this. You can practice doing this motion. I think that's a good practice to do, so you know how to do it when you do the fake one, when you do the vanish. So also a small tip, when you do this, so when you do the steal, you first, it's funny or quite nice to first do it for real, and then do like, oh sorry, hold on, and then you just do it again, and then it's for real. So now, how to do the motion all together. you're gonna hold it like this. You're gonna come over with your hand and cover it. And when you pretend to take it on the table, you're gonna make this motion. This motion. As fast as you can. And while you're doing that, you're gonna do this. Okay? So, all together it will look something like this. And you just steal. And you just steal the... Never mind. Okay, my English today is really bad. But again, you're gonna come over with your hand, cover it, and while you're covering it, you're gonna take the cards and turn your wrist. And that all together will look something like this. And just take the card with your thumb, and you can show, or you can also do something like this. This will look even cooler or even fancier, how you want to call it. But I think that looks even cooler. And yeah, that's basically it. So again, 45-degree angle, thumb, pointer, middle, ring, and pinky. Come over with your hand, turn your wrist, and take the card and show there's nothing in your hand. So good luck. So yeah, that's the Vanish. It's, I think, a really cool card Vanish, and a good way to practice, because that is really important to do, practice. A good way to practice is first hold the cards in the 45-degree angle and learn how to steal the card with your thumb. And after that, you need to learn how to do it all together with your covering the hand and stealing the card. Because if you don't practice, everyone will just see you did something. Please remember, always turn your wrist, because otherwise maybe some people see you took the card with your thumb. So yeah, that's everything you need to know. I hope you're gonna practice, you're gonna show it to someone. And also a good way to practice, do it in front of a mirror, because, or in front of your camera, because then you know how it looks from the audience perspective. And yeah, I would say good luck. But you know, this is just a part of a card trick. But do you want to know how to do a full card trick that's super cool to do? I think you should click on this video, because that's a really, really cool card trick to do. So I hope to see you there. Bye bye.